Jesus Christ. America belongs to Jesus Christ. America, prophesy, prophesy. America belongs to Jesus Christ. America. Belongs to Jesus. How many believe it now? Believe it. Come on. America belongs to Jesus. Jesus takes the Congress. He takes the Supreme Court. He takes Congress. He takes Supreme Court. He takes Congress. Congress. He takes everything now. He takes the military. Come on, shout. Shout Jesus. Congress belongs to 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 Jesus. Now prophesy, prophesy, prophesy. We release salvation. We release salvation in the colleges. In the high schools, in the middle schools, in the kindergartens. Come on, let it begin now. Congress belongs to Jesus, and Congress belongs to Jesus. Now listen to this. I hear this in my spirit. It's a revolution. It's a release. It's like a wave. It's coming. It keeps coming. They don't know how to stop it, but it's coming. It's coming to Europe. It's coming to Australia. It's coming to Africa. It's coming to China. China will be shaken from the inside. China will be shaken from the inside. It's going to sweep across the world. God's raising up a generation of men and women that shall live holy, that shall go after God, that shall not be afraid, that shall not bow to the prince of the air. All they desire is the righteousness of God. Release, 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 release. Come on, come on. release your glory. We release your power. We release your miracles. We release your glory. We release your power. We release your glory. We release your miracles. Let me force it. Come on. It's coming. Miracles, signs, wonders. 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 Miracles, signs, and miracles, signs, and wonders. Miracles, signs, and wonders. Miracles, signs. Listen to this. Before I bring the worship team, I'm going to say this one time. They talk about Azusa revival. They talk about the revival in Gilek. They talk about the revival of John Wesley. They talk about all the revivals. And they say that things happen at all times. But I'm here to say the greatest move of God is about to hit the nations. Because in that time they did not have to deal with the warfare of technology. But right now, the enemy changed strategy, and the Holy Ghost elevated strategy. He elevated the standard, because the Bible says when the enemy comes in like a flood, the Spirit of God shall raise a standard according to his glory. We're going to witness miracles that even the digital world will not be able to define. They'll be so more clear than 4K. They'll be more clear than 8K. They'll be more precise than AI. You thought about Elon Musk getting the rocket to drop down from the sky and landed on the hands that he created. But the miracles that God is about to do are going to be so shocking that even the medical world will not be able to disclose, to define it, to explain it. I'm talking about unusual miracles, signs, and wonders. And I'm going to prophesy as I release that sound. You're going to begin to say, I walk in it, I receive it. Are you ready for that? Now lift your hands up and some miracles that are unusual are being released. Creative miracles that will challenge the digital world, that will challenge every realm, that will challenge every technology. I hear the sound, I hear it, I hear it. Say, release, release. shall release. There it comes. Don't stop. Just call Jesus.